Imagine walking into an old, dusty barn and discovering a forgotten supercar worth over $5 million. Today, we're uncovering the unbelievable story of a rare Bugatti hidden for decades and finally brought back to life. Barn finds are every car enthusiast's dream. But this wasn't just any car. It was a Bugatti, one of the rarest and most expensive in the world. Covered in dust, rust, and cobwebs, it looked like a piece of junk to the untrained eye. But under that dirt sat a true legend waiting to be rescued. Bugatti isn't just a car brand. It's history, prestige, and performance combined. Known for making some of the fastest and most luxurious cars ever built, Bugatti models are often valued in the millions. And this barn find? It was one of the rarest, making it a once-in-a-lifetime discovery. Rescuing the Bugatti was no easy task. The car had been sitting untouched for years, its engine seized, paint faded, and interior destroyed by time. Expert restorers carefully transported it to a workshop where every single detail was rebuilt by hand. From the polished chrome grille to the roaring engine, this car was reborn piece by piece. After months of restoration, the forgotten Bugatti was transformed into a masterpiece once again. At auction, its value was estimated at over $5 million. That's right. What looked like a pile of rust in an old barn turned out to be one of the rarest gems in the automotive world. This story proves one thing. Sometimes, treasures are hiding in the most unexpected places. Would you ever rescue a car if you found one like this? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable stories of rare cars, luxury lifestyles, and million-dollar finds.